going to be donating blood, and I just found out that I'm type O.
Wow! Oblong!
Oblong. So this is my first time to ever donate blood.
Ready? Kuya, masakit ba yan?
Let's see.
Yay!
It's only 1.5. Yes!
Go, Marv!
Pag may pain, mas malinaw yung puso.
Oh, i-swim mo yan.
No, this is for our team.
Yes. Anong tawag dyan, Marv? Tourniquet. 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 Masakit.
Kahit $100 peso. Alright.
Okay ka lang?
Kinakabahan.
Marv, sabi nila, it won't stop bleeding daw.
Dude, I can't smoke after this for 4 hours.
Wow.
So, sakripisyo talaga. And I can't drink.
Where?
I won't be able to drink for 24 hours.
Wow. So, wala kang party today, Marv?
Ano, Friday pa naman. Dapat kahapon kayo nagpunta.
Ayan, Marfo. Tapos plug nating just played. Woohoo! Ready ka na?
Ready.
Eat you na. Oh my God, this is it. Ay! Kuya, can I see the needle? Woohoo! I'm so excited.
Ano karaming blood?
450 ml. 10% na total volume. Pero kasi yung blood na
Oh my God, I can see it now. Marf, malaki.
Alam ko malaki.
Hindi, yung needle. Yay! Ano ka ba? Wala pa nga eh.
Nakakabalo.
Tingnan mo, Marf.
Ayaw ko tingnan.
Wow. Sorry, kuya. For documentary purposes. Oh my God, it is a big ass needle.
Sure nga malalim.
Ah.
Okay na kunay. Okay na.
Ayun na. Wow, look at that. Look. Marf, ang pangit pala ng blood mo. Parang blue. Ano ka ba?
Bumbugaw
Alien?
ako eh. Bumbugaw.
Ah, ang alien, dude. Ayun o, blue.
So medyo malalim ng konti. Kasi malalim agad.
Oh my God.
Dapat ikalaw yung mga
Namumutla ka na, friend.
Hintayin lang natin na mag-adjust yung katawan.
Oh, so it's not the
Kasi pwede
bag is not...
mag-react. But this
Oh
moment,
my
pwede mag-react yung
God.
katawan natin. Pwede nyo i-blood para tumigil yung temporary route natin sa ating plasma. So mamaya pwede na kita mag-squeeze kapag okay na. Saan na siya.
Oh, shit.
Medyo may pain pa rin Pero mamaya-maya, but it is normal na masip na yung needle inside.
parang namamanit yung ako kasi
Marf, ano yung feeling?
medyo mas sakit ng konti tapos medyo namamanit yung
Oh, shit. Ay, can I see it, kuya? Ay, ito na! Wow.
Triple bag. I use triple bag.
Oh. Why is it triple bag, kuya?
Kasi pag dinala namin sa laboratory, we separate the components of blood.
Mm-hmm.
Yung platelet, this will be the mother bag. Dito lalagay yung red blood cell.
Okay, red blood cell. Platelet is the white
This month, kasi mataas yung
dengue.
dengue.
Right.
Tapos yung plasma, frozen yan. Kapag na-process na siya, ipag-frozen namin. So it will be good for one year siya. Pwede
Ah,
for 1 year.
para ano po yung plasma?
Plasma, for example, yung mga ina-operahan,
Ah.
nag-bleed.
Okay.
Almost the same yung platelet.
so talaga yung
Ah, so they get separated?
Plasma kasi, oo. Lalagay sa machine.
Wow.
I can actually save 3 people.
So 3 people. You're saving 3 people right now. Yay, Marf!
Separate yung component ng blood mo. Plus
Marf,
mo
ang
yung,
dami.
plus mo din yung water part ng blood mo. So, I advise, until the next 3 days, inom kayo ng maraming water para ma-replace ka agad yan dahil 50% ng blood.
Ganun pala yun, kuya. Is it true that, like, you're supposed to drink milk or something? Or water lang?
Kasi yung blood natin, since 50% siya, may halo rin siyang protein. Pwedeng juice, may vitamin C kasi.
Okay.
Tapos pwede rin milk, basta anything, any fluid, basta walang contain na alcohol.
Okay.
Excuse ka muna.
Ay, Marf, ito na.
Ganda na, light lang. Tapos open. Rest mo siguro for 3 seconds. Tapos squeeze ulit. Light lang rin.
Yuck, your blood is all like, Wow, dude. Marf, it's official. You are now Bloody Marf. Say it. Hi, I'm Marf.
I'm saving 3 lives here.
Disenchanted Kingdom.